Meaning of day room.
Day room.
Day room.
Day room.
Day room. A day room is a common space usually found in hospitals, hotels, and other institutional settings where patients or residents can come together to socialize, relax, or participate in activities. Day rooms are designed to provide a comfortable and safe environment that promotes recovery and well-being. They may be furnished with comfortable seating, tables, and recreational equipment such as books, games, or TV sets. The day room serves as a place where people can escape the isolation of their rooms and engage with others on a regular basis, which can have positive effects on their mental health.